If you're planning to buy equipment or upgrades for your business this year, this is something you want on your radar. The instant asset write-off lets eligible small businesses deduct the full cost of certain assets immediately, instead of depreciating them over several years, which can reduce your taxable income right away, which can make a significant difference to cash flow. I'm James, an advisor here at Lawpath, and today we're breaking down exactly how this rule works. Number one, what the instant asset write-off actually does. Normally, if you buy equipment, computers, furniture, tools or machinery, you deduct a portion of its cost each year over its useful life. Under this rule, provided the asset qualifies, you can claim the entire cost up front. This doesn't make the item cheaper, but it does give you the tax benefit immediately, which makes it an effective tax minimization strategy. Number two, who can use it? If your business has an aggregated turnover of less than $10 million and it uses the simplified depreciation rules, you can qualify. As of the 2024-25 income year and extended for the 25-26 income year, the write-off threshold is 20,000 Australian dollars per asset, meaning each eligible asset costing less than $20,000 before or after GST, depending on your GST registration status, can be written off immediately. It's important to check that the asset is first used or installed and ready for use between 1st July 2024 and 30 June 2025, or for purchases in the next financial year between 1st July 2025 and 30 June 2026 to qualify under the current rules. Number three, what you can claim. The write-off generally applies to depreciating business assets. For example, tools, machinery, computers, and other tech equipment, office furniture, commercial gear, whether new or secondhand, provided each individual asset cost is under $20,000. Vehicles can also qualify, but only if the costs or the business use portion is under $20,000. Number four, what you can't claim / things to watch. If an asset costs $20,000 or more, it doesn't qualify for the instant asset write-off. It must go into the small business depreciation pool instead. The asset must be first used or installed ready for use within the eligible period before 30 June of the relevant income year. Simply ordering it before then isn't enough. If an asset is used partly for personal purposes, only the business use portion can be claimed. Number five, using it properly, timing and record keeping. Timing is critical. To claim the write-off in the current income year, the asset must be purchased and ready for business use, meaning installed, delivered and operational by 30 June. Good record keeping is essential. Retain invoices, delivery / installation documents, and any proof that shows when the asset became ready for use. This can make a big difference if the compliance is ever reviewed. A handy tip would be to keep a fixed asset register in your accounting software. Number six, mistakes to avoid. Some small businesses make the mistake of buying assets purely for the deduction, not because they actually need them. A deduction doesn't offset the cost, it just reduces the taxable income. So only invest in equipment that genuinely benefits your business. Another common pitfall, missing the ready for use deadline. An asset delivered late or after 30 June may force you to forego the instant deduction for that year. Vehicles are a special case. Many don't realize that if the cost exceeds $20,000 or the business use portion does, the asset won't qualify under the instant asset write-off. There are also car cost limits, which limits the total depreciation you can claim on a motor vehicle. Should you use it? If you were already planning to invest in the equipment or upgrades that will help your business grow, increase efficiency, or replace the worn-out gear, absolutely. The instant asset write-off can give a welcome tax benefit by bringing deductions forward. But don't use it as an excuse to buy things your business doesn't really need, just to get a tax deduction. You are still spending $1 to save 25 cents. Need support? At Lawpath, we help thousands of small businesses navigate tax, compliance, and those tricky financial decisions that shape long-term success. If you want clarity on whether a particular purchase qualifies under the current rules or want help aligning with your business structure and turnover, we've got your back. Visit lawpath.com.au today.